Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who this is from and who we do a review for. Well, we have pre-stamped cross-stitch kits. Hang on, everything's falling apart. And these are from FGOBY. We'll just start with the little one. Isn't that cute? I know, it wasn't very big. It's a 14 count, 17 by 20, but I just thought it was adorable. And it was $5.99. And it comes in it's a Joy Sunday Wannabe, pre-stamped. Does have instructions on how to start, how to end, what to do in between. Comes in a nice Ziploc baggage thing. Love that part because they're reusable. So let's see here. Let me turn it over. Good gravy. We got everything. Everything's inside out and upside down. But I just thought this was a quick, cute type thing, and it looked like spring and summer. And yeah, I don't know. Every once in a while, you just gotta have cute, right? I pull you out so you can actually see what's going on. Yeah. It has 16 colors, and it only has back stitch and full stitch, of course. But not very big. It's a 70 by 86. And let's see. Oh, the pattern's all on one page. So very nice, very easy to see pattern. Very easy to read. Just kind of cute. And it wouldn't take any time at all to stitch that little puppy. Not at all. It'd take longer to do the back stitching than for me than it would anything else. So yeah. Let's take a look at the colors here. Hang on, they're all kind of mooshed together. Let me flip that over so you can see the colors. It does come with 2 needles. It does have the product number on it. It says it's a 14 count. This tells you right here, the red numbers are how many strands, or this is like a half a strand. So there's not too much. Below it, in the dark, is the DMC numbers, and then the numbers in the colors going across is the number on the thread card. So yeah, just a wide conglomeration of colors, but they're very pretty and very bright and cheery. We need cheery this week. And you have 3865 as your white, one strand here of 310 black, and I'm assuming that's for your, you know, your back stitching. Canvas isn't very big, but it is serged all the way around. Has both the product numbers that are on the front. The paper pattern will not match this. It has its own separate set of symbols for the canvas. And the canvas itself is not very big. 20 or almost 8 inches by 7 inches or 18 inches. The actual picture size is a 5 inches by 6, so it'd fit in a 5 by 7 frame. But yeah, I just thought it was cute and something easy, and the back stitching will make this much better. I did like the butterfly. It's so cute. So maybe in the spring we could start something quick, or maybe sometime this month. Who knows? But yeah, I just thought it was whimsical. Every once in a while I gotta buy whimsical because, you know, I can't get too serious. And let's look at the next one. I'm going to have to get it out of its bag for you to see it. This is a 45 by 80. And I debated over this and debated over it. I've actually tried to buy it, or try to order it from 2 or 3 different companies. But yeah, isn't that beautiful? But look at all that pink. Oh my goodness. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Let's take a look. It does have product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It's 11 count. If I could just figure out how to... Oh my goodness. It is a ginormous paper pattern, but the paper pattern will match, you know, your canvas. It has 42 colors in it. So there's going to be a little bit of confetti, but I see large areas on the fans. But I just thought this was really pretty. It does have some 310, some 550 purple, 823, which is a dark blue. No 939, you have 936. And no 3371. And no 3865. So that's fine. But yeah, nice, easy to read pattern. Let me see if I can... This thing is ginormous. It just unfolds and unfolds and unfolds. But very easy to read symbols and key. Yeah, I just thought this was beautiful. There's the picture again. And it looks like it's got lots of big areas to stitch in. But yeah, just gorgeous. Beautiful. And this is kind of a cartoon look at it, so not sure how it's going to turn out. You know, some things I know, like, yep, that's going to be just like that, but I'm not sure how this is going to be. So we'll have to see. Let's take a look at all the beautiful thread. And there is a wad of thread. See if I can figure out how to open the dang thing. There we go. This is your background color here. Beautiful salmon. See if I can drag it out. Hang on. I'm going to need that bag. We're just going to save that. So you've got skeins and not hanks. Let's start with this one first. You have 40 strands of 154, which is that plum color. Oh, I love 154. This has got to be 550 purple. One whole skein of 550 purple. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. And then you have a skein. This is a hank. These are skeins. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 skeins of 3760, and that is your background. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that color. It's a little bit darker. I'm trying to get the light completely off of it, but yeah. It looks more like a dark coral, and we're just going to grab that bag. I know, crinkling again. Or I'm going to lose something. That happens. Let's take a look at the rest of them. Beautiful, bright, vivid colors. Hang on. Gotta give it a shake. Now that I know there's nothing else attached here. We'll start with this end. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Got dark blues. Got kind of a gray-green blue there. But over here is where the rainbow starts. Hang on. If it could come apart, please. Get a hold of it. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all the reds, oranges, pinks. There's your 550 purple. Just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. No, I'm not going to grab that bag again. This stands on its own because there's so much of it. But look how thick that sucker is. There's a lot of thread. Does come with a toolkit, poof ball, 5 needles, thimble, and a needle threader, and we have the little birds this time. They cute. We're going to put that up there because I'm kind of running low on needles. I know. Scary but true. Okay, so this kind of goes this way. Let me see if I can drag you up so you can see the top. I'm going to open it up all the way. Okay, so they put, of course, after I do all that, product number, how big it is. It is 169 by 321. That is a lot of background. Holy moly, 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 moly. 42 colors. It is serged all the way around, before I forget that part. Nice key. Very easy to read. The stitching is not in the numbers. Runs right along the edge. Very nice. Very well printed canvas. You open it up here. But it's going to be huge. I guess I didn't realize it was this big, but 80 centimeters is 80 centimeters. It is, hold that thought, 80 centimeters, which is 31.5 by, get to the edge, 46 centimeters or 18 inches. Actual picture size is 15.5 inches or 39.5 centimeters. So it's not too wide. Whoop. Sorry. And the rest of it is 29.25 or 74.5 centimeters. So yeah, but it's very beautiful, very nice, nicely printed, and I like the border thing going around here. It breaks it up, makes it look, you know, like this is being showcased. Excuse me, I was out in the wind yesterday. So, but very easy to read, and it looks like rivers. Hang on. Dagnabbit. Really? Rivers of color, you know, so there's big areas of color, and then, you know, you got a little bit of confetti, but I don't see an overwhelming amount of confetti. So yeah, oh, I love this. Yeah. I didn't know if I'd like it or if I'd hate it or what it was really going to look like. So, yeah. But this is something you could do in front of the TV or whatever. You wouldn't have to pay attention too much, you know, just do the big areas, especially that background. Oh, that background's a hot moment. Yeah, as much as I like all this, it's kind of scary. But yeah, that's a lot of that coral color, but it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Now this one was, where are we? $20.99. So it was a little bit more, but you got a lot of canvas, you got a lot of thread. So I still think it's a good deal. There, I'll hold that up for you. Tell you what, we'll just do it the easy way, right? Ching, ching. Where you can see how good the symbols are. Everything's printed very nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna have to start this soon. Yeah, I like this. It will need to be crunched though, because yeah, it is quite stiff. Sometimes, you know, on the bigger ones you get less stiffness. I don't know what determines that, or I don't know if it's just the manufacturer itself, you know, they have thinner fabric than others. I got nothing. Thank you, FGOBY, for these beautiful kits. I love them both. Now, FGOBY does have free shipping on orders over $39. They have no diamond painting. They only have cross stitch and embroidery, but they have beaded cross stitch as well as regular embroidery. And they have crafts and tools for both of those. And they also have paint by number. Oh, maybe they do have diamond painting. I'm sorry. They have... My bad. Forget everything I just said. Start again. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. I thought that was weird. And embroidery, and beaded embroidery. They call it beaded embroidery. I call it beaded cross-stitch. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they do have a separate Joy Sunday section. And they have also a special section that goes like from beginner to grandmaster. So you can pick, you know, whatever level you're at, or, you know, if you just like to start at the beginning, or you want to do something bigger, you know, you go to, but it's all separated out into like a skill level, if you will. And if they have any specials, I will put those down in the description box below. Well, thank you for joining me today for this unbagging and this review. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.